Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Realize the omniscience, the omnipotence, the omnipresence of the God of light and sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Allow the potency of the all-attractive, of the all-enjoying, to remind you through the vibrations and what is beyond vibrations. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. At the moment, the most important verse that I thought to share today about chapter 8 of the Bhagavad Gita is text 6. Yam yam vapesmaran bhavam tyajatye ante kalivaram tam tam veti kaunteya sadatan bhava bhavita. Whatever, anything at all, remembering nature gives up at the end. This body, similarly, certainly. O son of Kunti, always that state of being, remembering. So, whatever state of being you're holding on to at the moment of death, when you die, that's going to be where you're at. So, let's the forbidding of intoxicants extends to minor ones, like caffeine. If there is overpopulation, it isn't that God isn't giving the opportunity for all to be provided for. Life is to be correct about one's understanding. Merely divisive interpretations are those to merely empower is a sign of failure. Constantly expressing remembrance is to ascend and prepare for return to God. Understanding should go beyond argument. If people actually followed the examples of their spiritual leaders, instead of just claiming that authority, they would have the results. See spiritual duty as paying the rent, and our material circumstances as merely something of temporary occupation. Spiritual science requires specific processes. Self-realization leads to cosmic realization, which leads to self-actualization and God realization. We are more controlled when we submit to the proper control. By natural law, all must be servants of God. So, why not surrender completely? Islam means surrender or submission, by the way, and that's the implication in terms like that. But again, it's more about your actual beliefs and your actual deeds and your actual experience, of course, too, than it is about whatever titles you're using. Of course, people come to use certain titles as a result of the other, but slaves to our desires, rage, greed, bewilderment, and pride is certainly what we're going to be slaves to, if not that. Janani, the true Janani, is only the expert that sees past material conditions and roles It is not that we should deny the physical and literal interpretations of Scripture, but that is not most important. Pure Scripture doesn't need further interpretation to be understood as is. See our forms before birth as signs of evolution. Take care of the body and mind, but go beyond philosophy and exercises as the way to realize religion. Be aware of the subtle and gradual change that paves the way to great changes. One may increase one's chances of dying earlier by doing what is right, but suicide is always extremely sinful. And, sort of expect to live out the consequences in the afterlife, even on a repeating scale or lower birth and that sort of thing. However one phrases it, it's never panned out good. Secularist, materialist, whatever you want to call them, atheist, are classified as demonic in Vedic culture. Angelic is to be focused on the spiritual platform and actions. Demons and angels, as such, can convert each other in modes and qualities. What good is religion if one has neither a proper understanding nor relationship with God? Every soul is an independent individual, but belongs to God as a collective, which remains undividable, an undividable portion of a whole. So, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.